One of the first power tools people buy is usually a cordless drill driver due to its versatility. And that's good, but we'd argue for also investing in a dedicated impact driver. One can make myriad tasks easier, such as building decks, screwing down plywood, installing tile backer board, or any other job that requires driving long screws into wood. There are many products available to choose impact drivers, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did deep research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best impact drivers from reputable brands. After much research, found these products much subsidiary for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Milwaukee M18 Fuel Surge Hydraulic Impact Driver Kit. The M18 Surge uses a hydraulic drive technology that eliminates metal-on-metal contact, making it much quieter than traditional impact drivers. It also requires less torque, and because the torque is sustained much longer, it can drive tough fasteners faster. The M18 Surge features 3-speed settings and a dedicated, effective self-tapping screw mode that helps get screws started and prevents them from stripping out. The cherries on top are the battery, gauge and inlet to illuminate your work area. Product specification. Power. 18-volt. Motor. Brushless. RPM. 3000. IPM. 4000. Torque. 450 inches-pound. Kit includes impact driver, 2.0 batteries, charger, hard case. Warranty. Limited, 5-year. Pros. Quiet impacts.one-handed chuck.com single LED light. Number 2. Ryobi 1 Plus HP Drill and Impact Driver. The 1 Plus comes as part of an affordable drill driver kit. Having both the drill and driver is handy and saves you from having to switch bits back and forth on jobs that require both. This relatively basic driver will accomplish most tasks you'll encounter around the house. With its 18 volts and 1,700 inch-pounds of torque, we were able to drive lung fasteners and lag bolts, even without pilot holes. We found the variable speed trigger allowed us to easily manage RPMs from 0 to 2,900 at up to 3,800 IPM. The tool has a compact head, measuring 5.5 inches from front to back, which helped reaching fasteners in tight areas. The quick-release chuck seemed a little awkward at first, and we found that it works better on some bits than others. Pros. Drill driver combo. Compact. Cons. Quick release, chuck can be finicky. Product specification. Power. 18-volt. Motor. Brushless. RPM. 2,900. IPM. 3,800. Torque. 1,700 inches-pound. Kit includes impact driver, drill driver, 2 1.5 batteries, charger, soft case. Warranty. Limited, 3-year. Number 3. Bosch Max EC 12-volt impact driver. We found 12-volt compact impact drivers to be super handy and useful. Bosch's Max is no exception, as it's become our go-to tool for random tasks that pop up. A low-speed, low-torque setting renders small, delicate jobs, where overdriving a fastener can be a problem, worry-free. In our testing, the Max completed every task, including driving 4.5-inch long 3D8-inch lag bolts without pilot holes. It did drive slower and work harder than a larger driver, but it got the job done. And to be fair, Bosch claims this driver is designed to cover 85% of the types of driving tasks on professional job sites. So building a deck with it isn't ideal, but building your hanging cabinets, installing drawer slides, assembling furniture, working on electrical boxes, and taking on any task in a confined space or overhead is fair game. Pros. Compact. Capable of handling most jobs. Cons. But might struggle with challenging tasks. Product specification. Power. 12-volt. Motor. Brushless. RPM. 2,600. IPM. 3,100. Torque. 975 inches-pound. Kit includes impact driver, 2.0 batteries, charger, soft case. Warranty. Limited, 1-year. Number 4. Metabo HPT WH18DPFL2QB Cordless Impact Driver. This 18-volt impact driver from Metabo HPT, formerly Hitachi, is part of the company's new line of black tools. Built with the same quality and warranty as its green tools, the black versions strip away some of the advanced features, bringing the cost down. While it's nice to have multiple driving speeds and modes, they're not required to get a job done. This basic impact driver has the same torque as its green counterpart and drove all the fasteners in our test well, including 4.5-inch long lag bolts. We also used it to remove 5D 16-inch grade 8 bolts torqued up to 40 foot-pounds. Pros. Same quality warranty as the company's green tools. Also uses the same 18-volt batteries. Cons. Lacks some advanced features. Product specification. Power. 18-volt. Motor. Brushless. RPM 3100, IPM 3400, torque 1522 inches/pound. Kit includes impact driver, 1.5Ah battery, charger. Warranty. Lifetime on the driver, 2 years on the battery, 1 year on the charger. Number 5. Makita LXT 4-speed impact driver. Visually, Makita's LXT impact driver is svelte and compact. Pull the trigger, and you'll immediately notice the smooth, quiet motor. These are the marks of a tool intended for daily professional use. This is backed up by numerous speed mode settings for any type of application, although deciphering them may seem daunting at first. There are 4 speed settings, wood and bolt modes, and 2 tightening modes that prevent fastener breakage or stripping. Once mastered, these modes help perform repetitive tasks with consistent results. Pros. 1 touch speed, selector above trigger. Light can be turned off to preserve battery. Cons. Numerous settings can be confusing initially. Product specification. Power. 20 volt. Motor. Brushless. RPM. 3600. IPM. 3800. Torque. 1600 inches/pound. Kit includes impact driver, 2 2.0Ah batteries, rapid charger, hard case. Warranty. Limited, 3 year. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.